Hi, it's Karen at RT Systems. Here to talk to you about RT Systems and some changes that are coming up, changes that make it easier for you to get and store the files that you use to install your programming software. RT Systems is going to a system for electronic delivery on the files, the setup files. This is being driven for two reasons. One, a lot of computer equipment these days doesn't have CDs or CD drives, and folks wanted to be able to download, so we developed this system. It's been in place for over a year now, so it works rather well. And the other is we found out from our CD manufacturers that they're getting a little scarce, and we don't want to wake up one day and suddenly be without and have nothing we can do. So we're going to start working on it now and get y'all used to it. We're there for your questions. We're there to help you. And I'm doing this video now so you can see just how easy this process is. When you buy the software either from us or from a dealer, you may get a card in the package rather than a CD. They're mixed right now. Might be a couple of different cards, but on the card you've got a web address and you have a serial number. Those are the two pieces of information you need, besides knowing what radio you're downloading for. With that, you can retrieve your installation files, and you can retrieve them more than once. You can retrieve them someplace else. You don't have to do this on the machine it's going to be installed on. You can save those files to a thumb drive. You can burn them to media. You can save them to a cloud account. We do recommend that you protect them, but you can download them again if you want to. So now that you have your card and you're ready to go, I'll be happy to show you that process. And let me assure you, those of you who don't have internet, just absolutely don't and can't download, we have thought of you. We can put the files on a thumb drive. If you get one of these cards in a package you buy, you contact us and we'll work out getting the files to you. We don't want you to be without. We'll give you all those details when you call. So, got that covered, you got your card, and now I'm going to show you what that process looks like.
Now that you have the card from your dealer, there's a serial number on the back of it, and that's what you're going to need to download the setup files for your RT System software that you purchased. We start out with the web page that it says on the front, www.rtsystems.us/software. Type it right into the address bar. Then we're going to answer a few questions. Manufacturer, I happen to have it for a Yaesu here. It's for a 1200. And now my serial number. It is not case sensitive. And notice it moves between the boxes automatically. We're trying to make it as easy for you as we can. Okay, email address. See the note. This email address will be required to retrieve the download again. Yes, you can download it more than once for your own use. Be sure to use an email address that you will remember. A real one is not a bad idea. We do not sell email addresses. We use them occasionally, but we don't sell them to anybody. So, okay, and click download. If anything's wrong, it'll tell you right here. It'll tell you right where the problem is. If you typed in something wrong in here, it'll tell you which one you might have gotten it wrong in. Just that quick and easy. And notice right here, it's downloading. Okay, all done. We have it. If you're using Google, it will be in your downloads directory. We're just going to come right here, show in folder, my messy downloads directory. This file is what you're going to want to protect. You can burn it to a CD or a DVD more than likely. You can put it on a thumb drive. You can store it on something like Dropbox or OneDrive, wherever you want to store it. But remember, you can download it again 6 months from now, a year from now. Make sure you keep up with the serial number. So we're going to run this. Yes, we want it to run. And OK. And next. And the serial number, if I had been wise at first, I would have typed this into a text file and I'd be doing copy and paste right now. But I never think about that until it's too late. Next, next, next. Installing the files, installing the driver files for the cable. We're going to check for updates. These downloaded files are much more up to date than the CD, but software is a living thing. There still could be something out there between the time we built the setup and now, but this one's all up to date and ready to go. Created an icon right here on the desktop. The program comes up ready to run. The same great software from RT Systems, just delivered a little differently. This one even has remote control in it. You can run the radio from the computer. This is the DX1200. Have fun. Catch you next time. This is Karen, K0RTX.